Hi children, how are you all? I hope you're fine and doing good at home. My name is Sudha. Today I'm here to teach you math. Up to now we have learned 1 to 10 numbers, 1 to 10 number names, zero concept. We have learned before, after and in between numbers from 1 to 10, backward counting numbers, missing numbers from 1 to 10, and also we have learned 11 to 20 number names and also their place value, means tens and ones. Today we are going to start about 11 to 20 numbers and also before, after and in between. We are going to learn before, after and between from 11 to 20 numbers. Okay. Shall we start our class, children? Children, before starting our class, please carry a pencil, an eraser and your textbook, math textbook. Okay. Yes. Now here we have 11 to 20 numbers and also their number names. For a just quick recap, we will just look into number names. Okay. 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20. Once again, repeat after me, children. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Okay, children? Yes. Yes, children. What is exactly before numbers? In the previous classes also we have learned when we are learning about 1 to 10 numbers, we have learned before, after and between numbers there also. So the same concept here also. So what is the before numbers means? One number before the further given number. It goes in a decreasing order or in a smaller. Means for the number given here, what is the before number of this? Means one less, one smaller than this number. Means it goes in a decreasing order. Okay. So what is the number before 15 here? The answer is 14. Yes, the answer is 14. So one more number here, children. It is 19. So what is the before number for 19? Yeah, the before number for 19 is 18. 1, 8, 18. Children, here have you identified one thing? These are two-digit numbers. These are two-digit numbers. Means it has two numbers in each number. 1, 4, 14. 1 is one number, 4 is another number, second number. So, it has two numbers in each number. Means these are two-digit numbers. Okay, children? And 15, coming to 15 also the same. 1, 5, 15. It is also two-digit number. 1, 8, 18. Two-digit number. Means 1 is standing in tens place and 8 is in ones place. Here 1, 9, 19. 1, 9, 19 also is two-digit number. Okay, children, is it clear? Yes. We have few more examples for before numbers. Before numbers for 11 to 20. We have a number line here, children, where the numbers are from 0 to 20. Where the numbers are from 0 to 20. So here, what the first question is, let's see what number comes before 13. 1, 3, 13. So where is 13 exactly on the number line? Here is 13. Here is 13. So just before 13, what number comes? It goes in a decreasing order. Remember children, it goes in a decreasing order. Means one number smaller than the given number. What is the given number? 13 is the given number. 1, 3, 13 is the given number. What is 1 smaller than that? So it goes to, what is the number? 12. Yes. Answer is 12. Just before 13 is 12. Let's see for the second example. What number comes just before 19? 1, 9, 19. What number comes, children? Any guess? See on the number line? Yes, it is 18. 1, 8, 18. It is going in a decreasing order. Means one number less than the given number. What is the given number there? 1, 9, 19 is the given number. And one number less than that is 1, 8, 18. You're right. Children, next comes after numbers. What is an after number? After number means one number more or one number greater than the given number. Means whatever number they have given for us, one number more than the given number. We have to see for the next number. It goes in a forward direction. It goes in a forward. When the number goes in a forward direction, it goes in an increasing order. Okay, children? Now here we have what number? Let's see. Number 15. We have number 15. So what is the after number for 15? Is 15 single digit or double digit? Yes. 1, 5. There are two numbers. It is two digit number. It is two digit number. So what comes next? What is the next number for that? Yes, 1, 6, 16. 1, 6, 16 is the next number for 1, 5, 15. It going in an increasing order. So, let's see for the next number. 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. This is also two digit number. Okay, it has two numbers. So, it is two digit number. So, what is next number for 1, 1, 11? Yes, 1, 2, 12. 1 to 12 is the next number for 1, 1, 11. One more or one greater than the given number. What are the given numbers here for us? 1, 5, 15 and 1, 1, 11. So now we have learned the after numbers for both the numbers 15 and 11. Okay children, is it clear? We'll go for the next one. Here we have few more examples, children, for after numbers. Let's see what number comes next for 12. What number comes next for 12? So on the number line we have 0 to 20 numbers on the number line. Yes or no, children? Can you see 0 to 20 numbers? So where is 12? Here is 12. Just see where is 12. Find the 12 number. Yes. Now what number comes after 12? Yes. It is 13. Next number is 1, 3, 13. Let's see the next one. What number comes next after 19? What comes next? 19. On the number line, see where is 19? So, after 19 is? Yes, 20, 20. 20, 20 comes after 1, 9, 19. Now, these are the after numbers, children. So, we'll go for the next one. Yes, children. Now, here we can learn between numbers. What is between number exactly? Between number means a number which lies in between of any two numbers are called between numbers. We have here 17 and 19. What numbers we have, children, here? 17 and 19. So what number is missing between? Any guess? After 17, what number will come, children? Yes, you are right. It is 18. 17, 18 and 19. Now it is in an order. Yes. So 18 is the between number for 17 and 19. 17 and 19, between number is what? 18. 1, 8, 18. Now here we have few more examples, children. Let us see. Between numbers. What number comes between 11 and 13? What number comes between 11 and 13? Means just you have to check for 11 number on the number line. Where is 11? Here is 11. And where is 13? Here is 13. Now what number is missing between? Let us see. 11 is here. 13 is here. Now what is the number missing between? Yes, it is 12. 12 is missing. So it is the between number. What comes between 18 and 20? One more example, children. 18 and 20. Now where is 18 number on the number line? Here is 18. And where is 20? Here is 20. Now let's see what number comes between 18 and 20. What number is coming, children? What number is missing there? It is 19. Yes. 19 is between 18 and 20. Is it clear, children? Is the concept is clear? Good. Let's go for the next one. Here we have few more examples, children. Between numbers. So 17 is there here. Just have a look. Here is 17. One number is missing between and 19 has come. Now what number is missing there, children? Yes, it is 18. Now one more. 15 is here. One number is missing in between and 17 is here. Yes, the missing number is 16. So we have here 12. One missing number is here. Yeah, the column is empty. Now that is the missing number actually. That is a between number. And 13 is there. So what number is missing, children? 13. 12 is here. One number is missing and 14 is there. So what number is missing, children? 13. You're right. Let's see some more. Write after number and its number name in the given box. Let's see. Yes. After 17, what number comes, children? 18. And its number name is EIGHTEEN. 18. What is the next one? 19. So let's see what comes next number for 19. The after number. After number for 19. It is 20. 20. TWENTY. 20. TWENTY. 20. Children, please open your textbook, page number 26. Page number 26. Quickly. Have you opened, children? Yes. Please see here. Help Jikki. Please put your finger where I am reading. In the first line, help Jikki reach his friend by filling the number that comes. Help Jikki reach his friend by filling the number that comes. Now here, after number. What is the after number for 11, children here? After number for 11. Yeah, in this column you have to fill what comes after the given number. Yes, it is 12. 1 to 12. Children, please write down in your textbook. It is 1 to 12. Note it down, children. The next number, 1, 4, 14. What is the next number for 1, 4, 14? Yeah, you're right. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. So, here next one is before numbers. What is before 13? 1, 3, 13. Before number, not after. Before number, one number less than the given number. So, the number is 12. 1 to 12. After 12 only 13 will come. So before 13 what number comes? It is 12. Okay. Before number of 1 7 17. Children, are you writing? Before number of 1 7 17. Yes. 1 6 16. 1 6 16 comes before 1 7 17. In between numbers. Next one is in between numbers. 12. We have an empty box here. We have to fill it. And 14. The number between 12 and 14. What number comes, children, here? Any guess? After 12? Yes, you are right. It is 13. 1 3 13. 1 3 13. You are right. So next one, 18. 1 8 18 and 20 20. What number comes in between 18 and 20 20? After 18, after 1 8 18, what number comes, children? Yes, you are right. 1 9 19. It is 1 9 19. 1 9 19. You are right. Children, please check once. Either you have written correctly. Children, today we have learned before number, after number and in between number from 11 to 20, up to 20. So practice the same in your rough books and also in the textbook, the exercises all, whatever we have covered up to now. Okay children, take care. Bye bye. See you in the next session.